got to move with the protection of a motherfucking vesting, and it don't matter no lesson. We testing all the motherfucking niggas on the block. Yeah, and you know, yo, you hit them with the motherfucking G-Shock. Ain't no time to be fucking around. You see niggas in the charcoal laying on the ground. Blood splatter, pitter patter. Niggas talking about this and that. Niggas be talking like fucking bitches. Now bitches be trying to talk like fucking niggas. Don't even matter, motherfucker, gotta go figure. Gotta put the motherfucker in the place. Don't matter what space or time. This is quantum leaping on the motherfucker freaking. Do it good, yeah, you see me. Hold the wood, yeah, with a motherfucking Glock. The rock, the motherfuckers with the pop. The top, and the motherfucker with the cops. The lock, they don't matter motherfucking chop. Yeah, OG, flowing on, do me. Gotta put the walker up in the wood. Smoking like Flocka in the hood. Chilling the niggas up to no good. Flying the streets when the bullets hit. Hey, woman a gift. Better respect it. Never neglect it. Us a nigga that will check it. Coming through, I could get it. Put it in a whip and tell the hoe, please no spitting. This is like a motherfucker coming through dripping. Yeah, with the stains all over the streets. Me, I'm fucking up all the beats. No matter to me, I'm real neat. Motherfucking like Young Dro. When I get it, you know I blow it all through the air. Motherfucker, just don't care. Rapping, freestyle artist. Never fuck with me. I'm on this daily departing, motherfuckers. Take your breath away. Ain't no time to play.